Welcome back to my channel, Sunshine Stories for Kids.
The 5 Pillars of Islam.
In Islam, there are 5 pillars strong. In Islam, there are 5 pillars strong. Guiding us to where we belong. 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 The first is Shahada, a special creed, a declaration of faith in deity. There's only one God we proclaim, with love and honor in His name. There's only one God. The second is Salah, our prayers we share, facing Mecca, we show we care. 5 times a day, we bow head, Tatio, Allah's words, our hearts are led. The third is Zakat, we give and share, helping those in need, showing we care. We give to those who need a handout, T-O-O, make our world a better land. We give to those who need a hand. The fourth is Sawm, during Ramadan's call, fasting and self-control for one and all. The fourth is Sawm, from dawn till dusk, we don't need to drink the tea, understand what others may think, from dawn till dusk. The fifth is Hajj, a journey we make the tea, Mecca, for Allah's sake. Once in a lifetime, we go and pray, the Tio cleanse our souls along the way. Once in a lifetime, these are the pillars we hold dear, guiding us with love and fear. These are the pillars we hold dear, guiding us with love and fear. Remember these pillars, mighty find dots in your heart, let them live and remember these pillars.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with friends. See you in the next video.